Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet crucial update that enhances your experience with WhatsApp Web. If you're eager to hear those message alerts on your PC, stick around as we walk you through the steps to enable message sounds. First, the journey begins by opening WhatsApp Web on your PC. Just go to your favorite web browser and type in web.whatsapp.com. You'll see the familiar interface where all your chats await. Once you're in, it's time to find the settings. Look for the gear icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to customizing your WhatsApp Web experience, so give it a quick click. Now that you're in the settings menu, search for the notifications option. It should be prominently displayed in the list. Click on that, and you're one step closer to enabling those message sounds. Finally, here's the crucial part: enable message notifications. You'll see a toggle switch next to Message Notifications. Click it to turn it on. With this simple action, you'll start hearing alerts whenever you receive new messages, ensuring you never miss an important chat again. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully enabled message sounds on WhatsApp Web. Now you can stay connected and aware whenever someone reaches out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates and tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your enhanced WhatsApp experience.